came from a river that started long ago, flowing through the faces in old photographs I know. Their laughter in my heartbeat, their shadows in my eyes. 1,000 silent stories in my chromosomes reside. A map beneath my skin, a code I didn't choose. Threads of ancient victories and inherited wounds. The roots reach deep beneath me, holding firm the ground. The roots alone don't tell you how a tree will branch around. Am I the echo of the voices that came before, or the song I've learned from every open door? We're written in the blood, carved by the wind. Head for where we started, head for where we've been. Genes may draw the outline, but life shapes us in. We're written in the blood, carved by the wind. The rain leaves its signature, the sunlight leaves its mark. Even DA listens to the world beyond the dark. Not just what we're given, but the places we begin. We're written in the blood, carved by the wind. Child of certain pathways widening through my veins. Yet every road I traveled rearranged the frame. The city lights, the heart breaks, the kindness of a friend. Turn switches in the symphony beneath my skin. The forest shapes the sapling as it reaches for the sky. The storms teach strength and patience, the droughts teach how to try. What sleeps inside our genes may wake or stay unseen, as the world keeps writing verses in between. Am I destiny unfolding line by line, or a canvas painted by the hands of space and time? We're written in the blood, carved by the wind. Head for where we started, head for where we've been. Genes may draw the outline, but light shapes us in. We're written in the blood, carved by the wind. The rain leaves its signature, the sunlight leaves its mark. Even DA listens to the world beyond the dark. Not just what we're given, but the places we begin. We're written in the blood, carved by the wind. In every cell, library of names, the libraries don't choose which pages flame. Experiencers keys and hidden alarms, and time reerases not inheritance forgot. The seed contains the promise of the tree, but soil and season shape what it will be. We're written in the blood, carved by the wind. A meeting of the ancestors and everything we've lived. The past may hold the pencil, but the world still joins in. We're written in the blood, carved by the wind. And every generation leaves a trace behind. A conversation carried through the strands of time. Neither fate nor accident alone can tell the end. We're written in the blood, carved by the wind. Written in the blood, carved by the wind. The story starts within us, but it doesn't end within.